use an angle bit. It might be easier. I'm just using this. The person before me did, and the screws went in kind of crooked. When I put it back, I put it in with an angle bit. I have my magnetic plate right here, so I don't lose my screws, because I am kind of a ditz with screws. I lose them, so either I buy a pack of screws, or I put them on my magnetic plate. Simple as that. Disconnect this gas valve. Blue on the right, red on the left. Make sure the power's off, guys, please. Extension bit. And put my gloves on. You guys don't have to see that, so. Back in action. One. So. So this will be kind of tight sometimes. It's kind of, sometimes from just being there for so long, dust and stuff, grime just glues it together. Just give it a little, like back and forth, not too hard. It'll pop right out, slide right out. So. Just like that, guys. Here and get the new motor. So these 3 screws, we'll take it off and connect it to the new inducer.